everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, and the look is inspired by Kylie Jenner. So this is the look I came up with. If you're interested to know how I recreated or created this look, please keep on watching. Before that guys, if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So if you want to interact with me, you can follow me on my social media pages. So my accounts will be linked down below in the description box. If you are interested, please check them out and give me a follow. So this particular look is inspired from 2 to 3 pictures of Kylie Jenner, actually not a single picture. So I have incorporated all those in one single look. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a like and click that like button over there so that I will know that you like my videos, and my video will be pushed to more viewers, and my content can be accessible for more viewers. So make sure that you hit that like button. So without any further delay, let's get into the video.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself, there's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.